Hi, welcome. Last time we developed this little thing. Apply a message that when you click something, something displays and the user knows what's going on. If it's finished or not, or done maybe, something, a message. That's just the one that I've made. And the code is now in here, and that's where we need to be. glib idle add fn show in app notification. Let's change the ArcoLinux mirrors. So when you click on it, you see it in the terminal. That's this. Excuse me. The terminal. That's this. The log file. That's that. And then show eventually also the user at the top. Now we have to think what and when and where. That is something like too much as well. Control X. Let's remove that one here. So if on our server clicked, it goes all the way down. We better say something like here in the end. One moment. So we're looking at what to put where and when to put it and when not. So on our server clicked info, by this time we're just gonna say we changed the content of your Pacman. That's a good sentence, right? Always same logic. That's enough. Save. Let's give it a go. So, is this what I want to see? Right? We changed the content. We can't show all of that. So, just a little message. It's done. That's all we want to know as a user. It's done. What else? On Arco key mirror clicked, at the end of this, we say this line. Save. Then after this function, we say that line. Did we add the info to it? Yes. Should we add info to it? Maybe not. It's just more, less page, less room. Right? Maybe we just stick to the text without the info. Right, that's how we did it, without the info. So select this one, Control H, and check again. Save. Control C. That's okay. Click remove, removing. Here we're gonna reset. And here we're gonna say this is a long text. We may think of making this shorter because we do not have that much room. I can't say it any shorter, so we'll see. Oh, that's it. Get Nemesis clicked. We're gonna type this one. We installed the ArcoLinux Nemesis scripts in. Let's see if this is not too long. We'll see. That's one function, then the other function. We're gonna say let's fix. It's actually all keys, but okay, yeah. Gotta say something. If we don't get an error, we appreciate you telling us that everything is okay. You can actually add error stuff as well. Well, that's how we get ideas. Pacman cache cleaned. Let's create arch clicked. Yeah, the very end. Save. Creation of ArcoLinux ISO. Finished, done. Why not an is, right? Creation of ArcoLinux ISO is finished. Yeah. If there are no issues, everything is fine, right? But here we have a try and an accept. So here it makes sense to set it here. If everything is good, we get, say, well, we'll add the as well, right? The creation of the ArcoLinux ISO is finished, and here as well the creation. Where was that? The creation of ArcoLinux, or the ArcoLinux is finished. We're now here. That's a long bit. Okay, I'll create Arco clicked. Save. Test. Always a fun bit. Test. Which can I click? This one. Installing ArcoLinux repos in etc.pacman.conf. Removing ArcoLinux repos in okay. Cached. Okay. From local file. Alright. Back to install, otherwise I have a broken ISO builder. Apply the best servers. And let's fix this. And later on we'll get something there. Don't interrupt this one, right? Getting late. If we close this, and when we close this, let's so that was this. Install them. It's not too long. Clean the cache. I don't like to do that. Oh, my cache is gone. Pacman cache cleaned. Then this will take too long, and this will take too long, but we're gonna build, and surely I will see it in the future if it has any issues. I can actually do this one and then wait for it and then quit it. Super Q. Voila. That I can test. This one, I don't know, I think I can't, because then it's Control C and the app is gone. So that's one I'll have to test on Arch, for example, or later on ArcoLinux. Okay, done. New version, I guess so. Oh yeah, this one. Did we do that? Install packages down here somewhere, I think. And find path, open response here. Nope. So one that we forgot is down here. On Pacman install, click, 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 is going to install. We selected this file, launch time, and so on. And then comes the else for the errors. And let's say something like packages installed from selected file, right? Basically what we do. And then I had the idea, what if there are some of these things where we do a try, not all of them, so it seems. Here, try and expect. So if we would like to have a message, let's see if that works, then the message should be error. Now, no, not a good idea, because the error might be like 15 lines long or 15 pages long. I think we better not do that. And watch the log files and see what happens. Okay, save. Then we have another finished product that we can test and build. It's only 30 minutes, so that's cool, which means I can do the workflow again. This is the workflow that is important. Each time do it the same thing in order for the human being not to make mistakes, compare with something else. And then you say, oh, that's what Eric has been changing. That's the commit, basically. So I typed something wrong here. This is what I did, was this. Changes. But it's also possible to do this and then compare. There is a panel alt. Yeah, sure. Let's keep it around the guy. We've created a new panel. Copy to the left, right? And then glib was necessary. There are references to glib. Self timeout ID is something new. We've added everywhere these glib things. Show in app functionality. What I could check, not be so quick, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. All right. What I can check is the big blocks here it starts def, and at the end in the def I should have something somewhere, check. Here starts the def, in here I have something, check. Clean cache, yes, I have something in there. So each def needs to have some kind of communication with the user. Yeah, like it's better like that. And this is again communication in the correct def arco key mirror. Okay, check. Also good. Sure. And that's the last one that we forgot. Save. Function spy. So the glib needs to be known to the system because we copy pasted something from ArcoLinux and also Software. I think this was copied from Software. GUI. We created the revealer, never thought I could do that, right? So get out of your comfort zone. Sometimes you hit your head against a brick wall, then you back off and do something else in life, and then you visit it again after a week or after a day, and then you realize, oh, it was just this, and then off you go again. All right, so message is never give up, never surrender, but be smart and back off. I say next time, tomorrow, next week, next year, right? Because there's a lot to learn on ArcoLinux. There's like a university doesn't last for a week. It's for 3, 4, 5 years, right? Choose something that is now okay for you, that's not too difficult for you. And just keep going. Never stop learning. Let's push. Let's call it message notification. Message notification. When that's online, it's gonna be on here. 29, fittingly, it's gonna be number 30, round figure, 20, 30. I have already another what if in my brain, but let's round things off so this can be released. Oh, not that one, that one. Publish. Next thing is closed. ArcoLinux package build. ArcoLinux 2 directories, 1 script, build any and all. 2305. The zip or the tar.gz is that. Go grab it, go build it, and go put it online. I'm ready. No, I'm not. Wrong. It's actually this. I'm ready. We have still seem to have shifted one workspace. Doesn't matter. We're not that artistic. Ooh, sleep is getting me, so better stop today. But yeah, I've got some other projects in my head. And if you got suggestions, if you've got ideas, just push them online, put them online, YouTube, Discord. That's that. Last but not least, you test it out on your own machine. Hola. Ah yeah, I've been cleaning up things. Number 30, ATT. Oh, I'm so used to type ATT. AA. There you go. Let's just do one. This doesn't hurt me. No errors at all. Everything launches. Et voila. the tests, the rest of the tests, I'll do another system, because this is the ISO builder after all. So be careful with your working system. That's it for me. Test out the latest release and see if you like it. Cheers.